Step up your pasta game with this homemade marinara sauce made in the Ninja Combi or your slow cooker. Easy, homemade, and better than Rayo's. Let me show you how I did it. Into the bottom of the Dutch oven for the Ninja Combi, we're going to drizzle a couple tablespoons of olive oil into that pan, and then I've got one diced onion that I'm going to place in that pan and give it a little salt and pepper, and then we're going to put it into the Ninja Combi. We're going to go to the sear function. We're going to put that on high on the sear function, and the sear function with the Ninja Combi, the door has to be open in order for that sear function to work. So we're just going to let that cook for a few minutes. If you were doing this in a slow cooker, you would need to do this part on a stovetop. We're just going to continue to cook those onions to get a little color on them, and you may need to stir them while they're cooking till they get to the color that you want them to be. Then I added the chopped garlic and seasoning. I went heavy on the garlic. You need to add 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. And for the seasoning, I used 2 teaspoons of dried basil, 1 tablespoon of oregano, and 1 teaspoon of parsley, and a bay leaf. A drizzle of a little more oil just to get those spices going. We're going to let that cook just a few more minutes on the sear function before we add our tomatoes. I used 2 28-ounce cans of crushed tomatoes and 1 28-ounce can of diced tomatoes. I seasoned the sauce with salt and pepper, and as you can see, this sauce is already looking absolutely amazing. We're going to give that another quick stir, and then we're going to put the lid on the Dutch oven, and then we're going to put the Dutch oven into the Ninja Combi. And we're going to change the function on the Ninja to the slow cook function. I like to cook it on low for 8 hours. You could do high for 4 hours, and then when you get done, you have this beautiful, delicious sauce that took no effort at all. I like to make a big batch of this and keep it in the freezer for crazy weeknights when you need a quick jar of marinara. There's no need to buy marinara at the store when you can make it easily at home, and you know exactly what's in it, and there's no hidden ingredients. So skip the jars from the grocery store and make your own. You'll be glad you did.